You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word, meaning yesterday in Spanish. How do you say yesterday in Spanish? The correct pronunciation is as ayer. So let's break it down. If you want to learn more vocabulary from Spanish, stay tuned. Ayer. Ayer. The stress is on the yer syllable, okay? It's not ayer, it's ayer. Ayer. If you cannot pronounce Spanish perfectly, in English you can say it as ayer. Ayer, from Spanish pronunciation, how to pronounce ayer. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.